The best way to track progress is to measure it. UD Lab products come with MagPlan, Magnetic Flexi Planner, and an award-winning Achiever Planner, an efficient and design-driven self-growth planning for achieving and tracking goals in life. MagPlan, Magnetic Flexi Planner comes in 3 sizes: A5, A4, and A3, weekly, meal, and monthly planner. A5, Weekly Magnetic Planner. This minimalist, undated weekly planner will help you get organized and get the most out of your week. A4, Meal Magnetic Planner. Track your calories and plan your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for the week. A3, Monthly Magnetic Planner. Having a plan keeps you focused, gives you complete clarity over what it is you need to do on a daily and weekly basis at a glance. This planner will come ready for you to write your plans and schedules. Are you a busy mom or business person? Or do you and the family simply need reminding of your week ahead? Use it, plan it, and wipe it. Along with MagPlan, we have a New York Product Design Award-winning Achieve Planner, a smart size with proven goal setting, planning, and productivity systems for you. Achiever Planner has 15 unique and creative layouts that can bring out the change within you. For example, body measurements and tracker, health vitamins and minerals, staying motivated, travel planning, fitness planning, meal planning, monthly goal setting, monthly task mind mapping, habits tracker, weekly planner, self-reflection, finance tracking. This is not just an ordinary planner set, but it is a combination of your daily roadmap, goals, and setting your priorities. So please, back MagPlan and Achiever Planner and prepare yourself to take command of your lifestyle and achieve your goals.